Good morning, children. How are you? All are happy? Okay. Remember what are you learned yesterday? All of you understand that yesterday we are learned in buccal cavity, in tongues, functions of tongues. All of you understand functions of tongues? Okay. So today let us next part, the pharynx and esophagus. Pharynx and esophagus. Pharynx and esophagus, this is small intestines. This is a oral cavity or buccal cavity, and pharynx is the food is gone first one, that is how, that is a pharynx and pharynx. And here this is esophagus, pharynx and esophagus. Pharynx and esophagus, the chewed food pushed into long and narrow muscular tube. Long and narrow muscular tube. This is a long and narrow muscular tube. This is called esophagus. Esophagus. The esophagus through another short muscular tube is called, another short muscular tube is called, that is called pharynx. First one, what is pharynx and esophagus? The chewed food into long and narrow muscular tube. Chewed food is pushed into long and narrow muscular tube is called food pipe or esophagus. Through another short muscular tube is called pharynx. Understand? This is where is attached stomach only, esophagus and pharynx is attached in stomach only. Where is that is stomach? This side only, left side of the abdomen. That place only stomach is situated in the stomach. So what is pharynx? Chewed food is pushed. Our chewing food is taken mouth inside and chewing. Chewing after that food is gone, food pipe, that is the chewed food is pushed into long and narrow muscular tube. Our food pipe is a muscular tube. That muscular tube is called food pipe or esophagus, and another short muscular tube is called pharynx. Okay. First one, what is the functions of this muscular tube, that is esophagus and pharynx? What is the functions of pharynx and esophagus? So pharynx is first one. This food is mouth inside keep and pushed into here only pushing. That is next long narrow muscular tube. That tube only gone. That food where is gone? Stomach only. So that is one method is how. Look at here. Look at here. So this is movement of the food in the esophagus. This is only one stomach only have. So this is a tube esophagus. This esophagus is food is gone here. That time this is contracted muscle. This is closing. That time downside is open. That time food is gone. Next food here coming. This upper part is closing. That time contracted. That lower part is food is relaxed. That time only stomach only gone. So when slightly digested food enters the food pipe, enters in the food pipe, the walls of the esophagus start contracting and expanding. This is a contracting. This is expanding. Relaxed means expanding. Contracted and expanding to push the food down into the stomach. Contracting and expanding. So this process is called peristalsis. For examples, look at here. This is a foot narrow pipe is how. This is here inside only is foot is gone. So here it's like that only keeping. So this is a muscular tube. So for example, muscular tube, that is muscular tube first term this is a pharynx only. Pharynx only food is coming. That time this like that is relaxed and after down only going time this is contracted and this is relaxed. So this is contracted, this is relaxed, this is relaxed, this is contracted, like that only food is gone. Understand now? This process is called peristalsis. The pushing down food by the walls. Which walls? Walls is the esophagus muscular tube. That is all side is a walls is how. So the pushing down food by the walls of the esophagus in a wave-like action. So this is called wave-like action. Here is this closing, here open, here closing, here open. This is a wave-like action. That is called peristalsis. Okay, this is the peristalsis method. Only food is gone in the stomach. So what is peristalsis? The pushing down of food by the walls of the esophagus in a wave-like action is called peristalsis. Understand? Next one, stomach. So where is stomach is have? Stomach is the abdomen. Which side? Left side of the abdomen. Stomach is situated on the left side of the abdomen. Okay, this side is stomach is have. How many stomach is have? One only. Okay, so stomach is which shape? J-shaped, thick-walled organ. J-shape, and J-shape you understand, no? Like that only, J. So this also like that only. So J-shaped, thick-walled organ. The inner wall the stomach contain. This is a inner wall. Inner wall of stomach contain gastric glands is how? What is how? Gastric glands. Gastric glands. Inner wall of the stomach contain gastric glands how? This glands is secreted gastric or digestive juice. What is secreting gastric glands? Gastric. What is gastric or digestive juice? Digestive juice. So which contain, that is digestive juice, which contain three types is how? So this is the J-shaped thick-walled left side of the abdomen. Left side of the abdomen. So the inner wall is this is stomach. So this is esophagus after stomach. So inside what is have? Gastric glands. This gastric glands secreted gastric juice or digestive juice which contain three substance, that is hydrochloric acid, pepsin, mucus. Hydrochloric acid, pepsin, mucus. Three substances contained. This here gastric glands is secreted gastric or digestive juice. This which contain three substances have hydrochloric acid, pepsin, mucus. Okay, understand? This is pepsin and mucus. First one, hydrochloric acid. What is the functions of hydrochloric acid? You are eating more food is how? That food also some germs, bacteria is how. So hydrochloric acid is some harmful bacteria is have. That harmful bacteria is kill in hydrochloric acid enter which the food. Food is harmful bacteria is how. That harmful bacteria is kill in hydrochloric acid. So hydrochloric acid, it makes medium stomach acidic which enhance the action of digestive enzyme. This is here digestive enzymes have this hydrochloric acid kill the harmful bacteria in food. Okay, next one, mucus. Mucus is a protect the inner lining of the stomach. This is a inner, that is a thick line is how. That inner lining of the stomach is protected and a action of enzyme and acid. So inner lining is protect is a mucus and action of action of enzyme and enzymes and acid. Action of enzyme and acid. Next one, pepsin. Pepsin is acidic medium. Pepsin is acidic medium. Pepsin digests proteins in the food. Pepsin digests proteins in the food. Pepsin digests proteins in the food to form simple soluble substance called peptone. Simple soluble substance. So proteins, this is a protein. Proteins, this peptone. So peptones. Here what is pepsin? Pepsin, acidic medium. Acidic medium. Where is how? In the stomach. So this is the proteins in the acidic medium or proteins, that is a pepsin is acidic medium. Pepsin is acidic medium. Three substances have hydrochloric acid, mucus and pepsin. Pepsin is a acidic medium. Digest the proteins in the food. Food already proteins is have. Digested in the proteins in the food form simple soluble substance. Simple soluble substance is called peptone. Simple soluble substance is called peptones. Okay, look at here. So, in acidic medium, pepsin digest the proteins in the food to form simple soluble substance is called peptone. Next one, consequently, the food is converted partially digested semi-solid. Partially digested. First time mouth inside is a chewing. That time partially digested. Partially digested and semi-solid food is called chyme. Chyme. Partially is digested chyme. The chyme leaves the stomach and enters small intestines. After where is gone? Small intestine. First one, this is partially digested. That food is first one here break down the food and after gone stomach only. That stomach also digestion. After that digestion food is called chyme. That is where is gone chyme? Small intestines. Understand it? Okay. So this is the pharynx and esophagus functions. Pharynx and esophagus function. Look at here. Pharynx, esophagus, stomach only. Here only digestion. Here three substances have hydrochloric acid, pepsin, mucus. Mucus is protect the inner wall. Hydrochloric acid is a kills in the harmful bacteria in food. That is next one. Pepsin is a acidic medium that proteins in the form of food and is making the peptones. That is after this digestion, after that food is a chyme. Chyme is the where is gone? Small intestine. Understand? Any doubt? Okay. Thank you, children.